Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boyigo kire chichi brand ao ekyo kire chingiya kirage chirangi chiga nigo kire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba kire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na boyigo kiriya cyamache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo kire korwase kire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati boyigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani ochoganire erangiga aseduke yiga ya uru superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboyigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use kire chibyasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya uru superstores yego tokase enyumba ya uru complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyoerangane duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyoere angane bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama wewe mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Taikayemo Ibere Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mugasori tkaria mwere mutinyo gatana rimo igigo mwancho murira ne tariki emeronge 3 mutinyo gatana rimo mwako yiga 2025 Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira ereyo bwenge tornel bal na basonari kru studio ya Kabere ven Nyaboga kroso muno avu imanyira nchingiro ko Catherine Nyaboga karanso iketo kumanyiga tiari abereka watka kurwa imenesko yorogongo rwagusi natoko chaka omwe msewe wodi ya Kisii Central omoske Wilfred Monyenye yogeni akwanero wateka kumorero butkubugo kera rero ase echiro ya busongo yemanyika ine buna marigiti ase eniwe nyinge yaboncherere abechire yonera
bono iga omo gabano ito mosimiwa Simbarati oletire biragitani kitipa umora mnogendete gutandazwa ne biragitambi gendete kurainisha igento yoka turatebi abanyabiasara muntu tari ogotegana nero munyene boburi muburia ase report yaringe ya nongo report uburi mubwo mbwa bete listed ingambuli bulemo bwa abanyena bwa ukiremwa amalimo yabo negendo kende inkolengere lyekero nalengo momea uburi mubuntu aburi forget ukaira nase market ya marigiti yaito menyi anonye no muindi oringe kwagacho bakabone gana mbwate takangire court kamubwekina ombono kipira no kiteneine abakori byasa no bakorera igo muliro yose etoro ndumanye tinga oigo omuntu sambeti uzino muliro kitebuoka igabanya byasa rango bateri gasitwa cyakire turumambi nonde ande ndogendere kobo na tanurite na baleteire kipost timisato kolengere ni gabana itungo kolere amipango yokoreta amabati erinda abantu baitu basettle bachakeria sara negento ndabaterie intwe mune account government eyekora n'omugabano ito simbarati muntu tayura ng'anyi kurwe town yaiga ononye mupangirio gwoko ng'anyigwa turaba none market inabwate ebirengererio byokuriki bese erinda agache modern market erinda abanya biasara baitu bakora igase ritukuliara ngora inisatore I think we kamara goba twatakire kubabanga na kito kubagakire ibintu ebyo inde basedu bachate biasara igo odebwenze ukagerete nga ngo cyare garia aje kubaturubania entekyo nje munyenye n'umugabana ntugwanja
Muwaziri wa Bocheno Omoske Aden Duale mambia rero nigo akwanira bakenya igoro yo murubiri bokwena no Bocheno osha Duale nigo atebire kinyagitari gwetania M30 kurwachi county komine Ibere meyensi ya Kenya nigo chiasigiro gwetera obukurumi yase omurubiri yosha.
The foundation of Taifa Care Success certainly stands on three principles: financial sustainability through very consistent premium contribution. Number two, uncompromising stand against fraud, insurance fraud. And the last one is universal access to quality care. I emphasize to all our employees that remitting employee contribution by the 9th of each month is both a legal requirement and a collective responsibility to safeguard this very important national asset. Our integrated digital system now provides real-time monitoring of all the transactions, ensuring transparency and accountability in our fund utilization. Our fight against fraud has intensified through the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council's integration, and Dr. Kariuki is here. We have integrated the council's data with that of the digital superhighway, and as I told the country earlier, that resulted to the closure of 728 non-compliant facilities and downgraded another 301 facilities. Yesterday, as I told you, close to 31 facilities in about 12 counties, naming Kisumu, Kiambu, Bungoma, Busia, Kajiado, Kilifi, Mandera, Wajir, among others, have been suspended and are under investigation by both our system administrators at the DHA, by the internal audit and the forensic department of the Social Health Authority. And once we finish those, we will transmit those files to the DCI.
Mojumbo Kikuyu Omoske Anthony Kimanichungo yuboigo muraibu abari abange ase bunge nene nigo aire okoboko engana yo muraibu ensebuna ase amatukare bosio okugana ngororo ko ibunge koroseri chiko igoro yo kurobekana ase abanyanyimbo barache komanyigwa Chinsa okurobekana kogo chaka naboigo Chinsa mochiria okurobekana okugora chiko korekana bunenchira yamo yo kwerobere na kobeka oburendi ase Chinsa mecho.
Na nataka nikubaliane yale rais alisema juzi. Ni lazima tutengeneze sheria ambayo itatuelekeza vile tutafanya peaceful and unarmed processions and protests in our country. Ili kama kuna maandamano, tuseme tunafanya maandamano hapa Kadhiani, tuseme tutatembea kutoka Kenya ikifika saa 6 to present petition kwa DCC ama kwa mbunge wetu wa Kadhiani pale kwa ofisi yake. Kama tunataka atuongeleshe na kila mtu aende za. All civilized nations and democracies, that is what happened. And I want to say and confirm that when the Ministry Ministry of Interior finishes with the work they are doing to draft a draft law on how to regulate our ways of picketing, demonstrations, or holding processions, to designate areas where we can do our picketing peacefully, to designate times we will do, and even levels of officers who would receive public petitions and listen to members of the public. The National Assembly is ready and we are willing to ensure that we legislate a law that we will ensure that in future, and not in the distant future, that we can have peaceful demonstrations, processions, and picketing in our country without any loss of life or without any...
Muraiwe kiama gia ODM omoske Raila Odinga nigo akwaniro kurobekana gwa korekana ritskure Jumatano chitariki 25 ikiyaita abo ase abasai basireti amagimabo abandi gotiwane chingoma chintindi ase boigo enibo enyinge yabeteke gusarigwa gukwana korwa bondo Raila nigo arokanire ko mochya omwaziri woborendi bohime omoske Onesmus Kipchumba murkomna ase ateberuna murkomeni nigo aire abanyanyimbo nguru wetanya Ekeonga ase boigo Raila atebine nagendere gutina n'iki familia kiri cyasiriti abamwabo na boigo kubabeka ase amasabo.
You witnessed a lot of bloodshed in the country recently. Children, people who went out to demonstrate, some of them died. Some of them died, some of them shot by the police officers. Because they are criminals who came out to do deliberate destruction of property. Yes. Those ones we condemn in the strongest terms possible. But the same breath, we must also censor the police. The police should never ever shoot to kill. Police have no license to kill human beings. If somebody has committed a crime, arrest that person and take him before a court of law, charge him. So anybody giving instruction to a police officer that, oh, Kamamutna Karibia police station, piga risasi. My shame. Shame on you. Shame on you. We should not encourage taking away of life in a way which is not constitutional. If somebody has committed a crime, that person should be subjected to law. Arrest that person and take him to a court of law, accuse, charge him, and let the court find him guilty and then sentence him. This is the civilized society. That is the society that we want today. And therefore, we condole with those people who have lost their loved ones. But at the same time, we condemn the criminals who deliberately went to destroy people's properties, burning courts, burning police stations. That is not a solution. So we must find a way as a country. This country, we need a proper way. We need a national convention to talk about the way forward, the Kenya we want.
Chitaka 13 cha butokire igore Chinsa Isano na Ibere cha bono mugaso mwanche muregereria nara yokore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo wenge ikomini chikoira naga iga usento chikoira naga iga na balna basendari kure studio kabere veni Nyaboga kwa somo na wimanyere na chakatira Nyaboga tokaretera yo maranda manga asenchira ere yo wenge twaro borege borobye asimrobya Getembe TV ekobwatia.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiria amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yetu nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo eyuerange ne duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone